Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the configuration of the SD organizational structure. So here our approach would be firstly we will be like going to particular screen using the path that path of reference IMG, and along with that we would also be seeing the T codes for each particular screen. We Okay, so firstly at the top we have seen in our theoretical session we are having the company code, okay, below the client, so no need to check the client. We would be starting with the company code. Okay, so what is the path of the creation of the company code? Firstly, I will tell you the path. We would be giving the SPRO reference IMG, and then we will be selecting this enterprise structure, and then we will select the definition, okay, and then the financial accounting, and then this edit, copy, delete, check company code. Here we have to click on the second one, edit company code data. So now this screen will open up. We have to click on the new entries. So here we have to give the 4-character alphanumeric key or the code for our company code. Let's see, we want to create company code, this one, okay. Okay, it is already created. Let us give 90. Okay, we will give it India Private Limited, and the city we can give New Delhi, and we can give country as IN, which is India. Currency we can give INR. Okay, so this currency would be your local currency, okay, or the company code currency, and the language is EN. So once we have given this, we have to click on save. Okay, now here we have to give the title, whether it is Mr., Mrs., Miss. We will give here the company, and then the name of the company, that is India Private Limited. We are only giving the mandatory fields, okay? So in the country we would be giving I, and then the region DL, is Delhi, okay? Or if you want, you can give the other things like search term. You can give a street number, postal code, telephone, mobile number, okay? So all these things you can give. Email address, like we can give India PVT Ltd @gmail.com. We will be simply clicking on continue, and then just click here. So just remember what we created our company code, okay? So our company code is IN90. So it is saved. So that was the like company code which we created the company code using the path. Okay, same screen we can land using the T code OX02. If you give this T code and click on the enter, see the same screen is opened up, okay, which we opened using the particular path. Okay, so here now we can check our created company. So to check, we have to click on position. We will be giving our company code IN90, and then just enter. See, our India Private Limited is visible. You can also check in detail. Okay, so now the next element in the SD organization structure is the sales organization. So what is the path to create the sales organization? SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution, and then define, copy, delete, check sales organization. You have to click here. Okay, define sales organization. Now you have to click on this new entries. So we have to give 4 alphanumeric key for our sales organization. Let's give IN91. We can write sales org for IN90. Okay, here we can give the currency INR and other fields are optional. Okay, so while we would be discussing these elements in details, we would be discussing these controls of the screen also. Okay, so as of now we are just creating the organizational structure. Okay, so now we would click on the save. We have to continue, and now we have to give the title like company. Here we can give the sales org for IN90. Here similarly we have to give IN, which is India region DL. Okay, and then just continue, and then click continue. So your sales data is saved. Okay, so again, what is the T code to open the same screen? It is the OVX5. If you click enter, oh sorry, OVX5, if you click enter, then the sales organization is opened up. Okay, let me check our own created sales organization, which is IN91. Enter. See the sales org for IN90. Continue. If you double click on it, this screen will open up where you can check your own created sales organization. So below the sales organization, what is the next element? The distribution channel. So we can reach there using the path reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, the sales and distribution, and then this define copy delete check distribution channel. So define distribution channel, click on new entries. Okay, so we have already seen what is this distribution channel. It is simply a path, okay, or a way through which you want to reach to your customer. Okay, so it might be like the wholesale or the retail or the direct sale. So these are the ways or the path using which you reach your customers. Okay, so we would be creating two distribution channel. One is let me give the code as 90. 90 is already there. Let me create 10. 10 is also there. Let me create some different 20. 20 is not there. Okay, so 20 is for our wholesale. Okay, and let give me 21 is there. Let me give 25. 25. Okay, so it is retail. So these two paths we have created, wholesale and the retail. Let us save it and then continue. So both are created. Okay, now we have to create using the T code. So the T code is OVXI. So if you click on the enter, you will be landing on the screen of the creation of distribution channel. Enter. See, this is the distribution channel. Let me position and check it. Uh, our distribution channel was 20. So 20 is this, 25 is this, wholesale and retail. Two channel we created. Okay. Next comes the division. Okay. So the path of the division is SPRO, reference IMG, and then the enterprise structure, the definition. The difference here is division is always created under the logistic general, not under the sales and distribution. Okay. So if you see define, copy, delete, and check division is under logistic general. Okay, if you click here, it will ask you to define division. Okay, so here we are having the new entries. So on this screen, we can also reach using the T code. What is the T code for that? The T code to reach at this screen is OVXB. Enter. The same screen. Now we want to create the divisions. So what is the division? Division is the product line of any organization. Okay, let's suppose we take like any company which is in electronic appliances. For example, we can give 90. Okay, 90 is available, 90 for laptops, and we can give 91 for mobiles. Let's suppose companies producing laptops and mobiles. Okay, so these are the two product lines. Okay, so let us save it and then continue. Okay, so 90 and 91 we have created. Okay. Okay, so the next in the organizational structure is the sales area, which is actually the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. But that can only be like set up once we assign the distribution channel and the division to the sales organization. So we will be doing after the assignment. And the next in the hierarchy is sales office. Okay, which I have already told you in the theoretical session that it is completely optional and depend on the real organizational structure on ground of any organization. Okay, so if we have to create the sales office, so firstly we would be going through the path only using SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution, and then the maintain sales office. So if you see, we have to create a new entry. So sales office, let me give our sales office as IN 95 and IN 96. Let's suppose our sales offices are in, one is in Chennai and the next is in Hyderabad. Okay, so these are the two sales office we are having. Let's save it and then save it as a company. Give here the IN and here the DL. Now the region we can give, okay, save it under the DL only. Continue. Oh, it is missed. Continue. Okay. So we have created two sales offices. Okay. Chennai and Hyderabad. Now the same we can create using the T code OVX1. If you give this T code and click on enter, sales office will open up. You can check using the position. Our sales offices are IN9. Our sales offices are IN95 or IN95, yeah, 95 and 96. Okay, so next in the hierarchy is the sales group, which are actually the teams under those particular locations. Okay, so we can create using the path SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution, then the maintain sales group. So here you can click on new entry, and in the sales group you can like give sales group. For example, I told you these are the like different teams at particular locations. So we are having the two sales offices. One is in uh, Hyderabad and another is in Chennai. Okay, so let's create IN9. Okay, and I have already told you in the theoretical session it is a 3-digit. Okay, and description, let's say this is the key account team at Chennai, IN8. It is a retail team at Chennai, and then we are having IN7, key account team at Hyderabad, IN6 retail team at Hyderabad. Okay, so we have created 4 sales team or the sales group. Let's save it and then continue. So we can reach this screen using the T code also. The T code is OVX. Let me give OVX4. Okay, so this screen will open up. You can check your sales. It is IN9, key account team at Chennai. You can check IN6. It is a retail team at Hyderabad. Okay, and next comes the plant. Okay, so plant is actually a integral part of MM organization structure, but still we need it in the SD because the shipping point and everything are assigned to the plant only. Okay, so to create a plant we have to use a path SPRO reference IMG enterprise structure definition, and here we have to go to the logistics general. Okay, so here you can see define, copy, delete, check, plant. Click here, continue. So plant we can say where the things are like produced or consumed, okay, and stored. So we will create in the new Delhi itself. Let me create new entry. So plant we will be creating IN91 only. Okay, we will give plant for IN90. Okay, and we can save it, give the company. Here we will give the country India and the region in Delhi, and we will save it. So our plant is also created. And what is the T code to create the plant? It is OX10, means OX10. If you click on enter, you will land up on the same screen to create a plant. You can check your own created plant, which is IN91, enter. So this is the plant which you have created. Okay, now after that we will be creating a shipping point from where our things gets like shipped. Okay, while you are doing the delivery. So we will be reaching there using the path SPRO reference IMG enterprise structure definition. Here we have to use this logistic execution. Okay, and here if you see we are having the shipping point. Okay, define shipping point. Okay, click on new entry. So under plant only we can create it. So shipping point is let me give in the 09. Okay, give it 19. We gave 91 as a plant, give 19 as a shipping point. Shipping point for IN91, which is the plant. Okay, so save it, give it as a company. Here we will giving the country, which is IN. Here we will be giving DL. Okay, save it, copied from address data. Okay, so here you have created the shipping point. Yes, it is. Yes, it is saved. Now the T code to create it, we are having two T codes, okay, to create the shipping point. The one is OVXD. If you click on enter, you will land up on the same screen. Shipping point. The shipping point which we have created IN19. See, the shipping point is shipping point for IN91. Okay, we have created. Now the another T code is EC21. Enter. Now see the same page. Here you can locate your shipping point, which is IN19 shipping point. Okay, so both of these T code you can use here. Now comes the assignment part. Okay, so at the first we already know that our financial statements are prepared at the company code level. Okay, so firstly we will be assigning our sales organization to our company code. Okay, So firstly, we will be using the path which I have told you, which is very significant because in the latest version in Fiori, you will be having like tiles, okay, different paths only. Okay, we will be using the path firstly SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure, and then the assignment, and then the sales and distribution. Firstly, sales organization to company code, assign sales org to company code, enter. Now see, let me uh, position our sales organization. What is our sales organization is IN91. Do you remember? Oh, yeah, it is IN91. If you see company code is missing, what we created the company code? Our company code was IN90, India Private Limited. Okay, save it, continue. Okay, now you have assigned the sales organization to the company code. So what is the T code? Do you know? The T code is OVX3. And let me check our company code. What is our company code? IN90. If you see, the sales organization is assigned to the this company code IN90. Okay. So next we would be seeing the assignment of the distribution channel and the assignment of division. Both are done to the sales organization. Okay, so firstly we will be seeing the assignment of the distribution channel to the sales organization. So the path is SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, sales and distribution, and then assign distribution channel to sales organization. We have to create a new entry. Enter. We have to give our IN91, the sales org. What is the distribution channel? We created 20 and 25, I remember. Yeah, wholesale, and 25 is a retail. Okay, so this and another distribution channel was 25, I believe. Yes. Now save it and continue. So for this part also, we are having the T code, which is OVXK. Okay, if you enter it, you can see our sales org is control F, sales org is IN91. This is our sales org. Okay, under sales org, we are having two distribution channel, wholesale this 20 and the retail is this 25. Okay, and the next is we are having the assignment of the division to the sales organization. SPRO, we would be having a reference IMG, and then enterprise structure, the assignment, and the sales and distribution, and the assigned division to sales organization. Okay, new entry, our organization, sales organization is IN1, and then division we were having two, 91, 90, 91. Okay, IN91, 91. Mobile, save it, continue. So for this part also we are having the transaction code, which is OVXA. Okay, let me check. Control F, I1, sales org. So under sales org, we are having two product line or simply two divisions, laptops and the mobiles. Okay, so next we will be setting up the sales area, because we have seen in a theoretical session that both sales office and the sales office is assigned to sales area, and then our sales group is assigned to the sales office. So setting up the sales area is important. Okay, so this is done using the path SPRO. Okay, and it is again would be done under the assignment part only. Okay, so assignment, sales and distribution. So this is the path you have to like set up sales area, enterprise structure, assignment, this sales and distribution, and then set up sales area. Continue. Here now you can set up, click on new entry. Now what sales area is, I have told you. So it is a particular like group of people who are responsible for the sales of particular product through particular channel. Okay, so we will be creating the combination IN91. So firstly, let us give the 20 wholesale and give the laptop. So 90 is the laptop. Okay, and next combination we will be making is 25. So retail, and again we are selling the laptop through retail. Also, then we are having combination as IN91, and then we are having again the wholesale. What this is for mobile now, and then again we are having same sales org for now. Also, we are selling mobiles in retail. Okay, so here it will be 91. No, no, not 90 only. Here 91 and again 91. So 91 is a laptop we are selling through the retail or wholesale both, and then we are having mobile which we are also selling through the distribution channel wholesale and the retail. Now save it and then continue. So we have set up our sales organization. Sorry, we have set up our sales area. Okay, so now and then you can check the same using the T code OVXG. Continue. Let me check for sales org. IN91 our sales org. If you see, we are having these combination. Okay, so IN91 our sales organization, under which we are having this distribution channel as a wholesale and the retail, and under both we are having this product line laptop and mobiles. Okay, so the T code is OVXG. Okay, now as I told you that we have to assign our sales office to sales area which we have just created. So it will be done using the path SPRO reference IMG and the enterprise structure assignment, and then sales and distribution. And if you see, we can see the assign sales office to sales area. You can see the new entries, or let me check first if it is there. IN91. No, it is not there. Let me create new entry. Sales org is IN91. Okay, and the distribution channel is, let me take the wholesale first, and for the laptop, okay, 90. Our sales office which we created was IN95 and 96. Okay, so we are assigning our this sales area, for example this particular group of people, to our sales office, this particular location. Okay, so similarly we can assign other combination like the group which is responsible for selling the mobiles in retail to the Hyderabad location and the Chennai location. Our Hyderabad location is IN96, you can see. Okay, this is Hyderabad. Let me give the mobile as a 91, our distribution channel retail is 25, and the sales org would be same IN91. Okay, so similarly you can form the other combination, save it and then continue. So for that we are having the T code OVXM. Okay, OVXM. So if you see, like at the top we are having sales area, control F. So our sales area is, let me give organization only sales org. So if you see IN91 2090, this is the sales area. Okay, because we have seen the combination of the distribution channel and the division, and the sales org is the sales area. So this particular area has been assigned to the Chennai, and again we are having this and this we can, like, we have assigned this Hyderabad. For this we didn't assign anything. Okay, and next comes the, we have to assign the sales group which we created to the sales offices. Okay, so for that we are having the path SPRO reference IMG enterprise structure assignment, sales and distribution. So this is the assign sales group to sales office. Continue. We can give the new entry. So our sales office is IN95 Chennai and IN96. Our team was IN9, which is key account team at the Chennai. And for this, we can give IN, I think 7, the key account team for Hyderabad. Similarly, you can like maintain for the retail also. Let us save it. So we have saved it. Okay, so for this also we are having the T code OVXG. If you click on enter, you can like check here. If for example control F, our sales office is IN95. Let me see for Chennai. For Chennai, we have given the key account team at Chennai. Okay, so this is how you can assign your sales group to sales office. You can assign the plant to sales organization plus distribution channel, which is also known as the distribution chain. Okay, so now let me do it also. SPRO reference IMG enterprise structure, and then the assignment, and then sales and distribution channel. If you see, assign sales or distribution channel plant, enter new entry. Our sales org is IN91. Okay, let me take the distribution channel wholesale, and then our plant is IN91. So we can form the other combination. Okay, let me form that also. Our distribution channel is retail and the plant is 91. Control save, enter. So you have assigned it. And next we are having the assignment of the shipping point to the plant. Okay, so for that we are having the path SPRO reference IMG, and then the enterprise structure. Here we have to raise assignment logistic execution we have to see. Okay, so click here. If you see, assign shipping point to plant, continue. So here what is our plant? What is our plant? Do you remember? It is IN91 only. If you see, this is our plant. Click here, click on assign. What is our shipping point? It is IN19. Okay, continue. IN19. Select it, enter. Shipping point has come under our plant. Save, continue. So this is how we have like assigned our shipping point to the plant. Okay, so this is the assignment part. So here I have shown you the step-by-step configuration, the creation of the entities or the elements and their respective assignments. Okay, so for the explanation of each one of these element or the entities, you can refer our previous video where I explained the use of each entity. Okay, or where these are utilized. Now I would be showing you the list of complete T codes which we use to create these entities. So firstly, the first part is the creation. Okay, so under creation we are having firstly the T code, and the we are having this description. Okay, so the first T code which we use to create is like OX02, which is used to create the company code. Okay, so the second T code which we used for the creation is OVX5, which is used to create the sales org. And the next T code which we use is OVXI, which is used to create distribution channel. Okay, and the next is OVXB, which is used as a creation of division. And then after these, we can set up a sales area using a T code OXVG. Okay, which is used to create the or set up the sales area. The next one is OVXG to set sales area. Okay, and the next is creation of the sales office, which we do using OVX1 and sales office, and then we are having OVX4, which is used to create sales group, and then next the OX10 used to create the plant. Next the shipping point, for which we are having two T code, ECs 21 and OVXD. Okay, so this is for the shipping point. Okay, so these are the T code and these are the description of the entities which we create using these T codes. The next is assignment. Okay, so assignment, let me copy this. So the first assignment that we do is the assignment of the sales organization to the company code. Okay, and the T code is OVX3. Assign sales org to company. Okay, let me take here. Okay, and next we are having the assignment of the distribution channel OVXK. Assign distribution channel, let me write in caps only, channel to sales org, and then we are having OVXA, which is used for assign division to sales org. Next we are having OVXM, where we assign the sales office to sales area, and next we assign sales group to sales office OVXJ, sales group to sales office, and next plant to distribution channel in the sales org OVX6, plant to, I'm writing distribution chain. Okay, which is the combination of sales org and the distribution channel. And the next is assignment of the shipping point to the plant. The T code is OVXC, shipping point to plant. Okay, so these are the T codes which we use for assignment, and these T code we use for the creation. That's all for today. Thank you.